Okay, so in terms of the architecture, and this represents the solution at the end of the challenge. So we have our Kubernetes cluster running on a AWS account. And you see that because everyone is going to be using the same cluster, we created namespaces for each one of you. If you don't know what a namespace means, don't worry. It's gonna be explained throughout the challenge. But basically, each team, you're gonna have your own namespace, and that's the only place that you can deploy the solution. There is a Nginx server running in our cluster, which is it's going to be pretty much one for everyone. So you're not going to have to worry about deploying Nginx. That's already being taken care of for you. You're only going to focus on the bottom box, which contains 6 microservices. And you see that we're going to be referring to Redis, which is this little red icon on the top left corner, as a microservice, just for simplicity's sake. But the solution is basically a front end component that has a UI. And then this front end, you can log in with the user. And to log in with the user, that requires two other components, which is the auth API and the users API. Once you log in on the UI, you're going to see a list of to-dos items, and that's being served by the to-dos API. So right now, we already have 4 components. Now, the fifth and the sixth components, we have Redis. That's where the to-do items are being stored, and that's where the to-dos API gets those items from to return to the front end. And then lastly, there is a component called log message processor, which basically just gets events from Redis and prints on the screen. It doesn't really do anything for the entire application, but this is just an addition to the solution. If you're wondering how this looks like, I have it right here. So this is a very simplistic to-do app that has a field for username and password, and it's going to be exactly what you see that. So it's going to be John D for the username and Foo for the password. And once you log in, you're going to be able to see the to-do app. You can delete, you can add new things, right? So it is a functional app, and but there's a lot of there's a lot going on in this challenge, and this is just so you can learn a lot of the concepts in Kubernetes. There's even a logout button here at the top that brings you back to the previous page.